G'day, Rowan from JTS. We've got a 2021 Amarok in, and the couple that owns this vehicle is wanting to get a full setup for their camping. So, what we've done, we've put them together with an awesome Expedition box. We've also got the Expedition cases to store their other gear in. We've got some clip-on lighting. They want some Sirocco fans in the tent that they're setting up, solar panels, max tracks, easy anchors to hold down the pegs of the tent and that sort of thing. And we just want to run you through the specs and all the stuff that we're setting up for them on there. Righto, let's talk about the solar system we're putting into this Expedition box. So we've got two all-volta 180 watt monocrystalline portable panels, and they come really well wrapped in this very solid. It's sort of got some cushioning and stuff, but it's a great case to go around them for when they're storing and traveling with their panels. And then they open out really nicely. They're quite light. They've got the really nice legs that are adjustable with the sun angle, and with 2x180, they're going to keep this 200 amp hour battery topped up all the time. The couple in this Amarok really don't like to do too much off-road, like really hard stuff, but they do want to travel in some dirt roads, maybe a little bit of slippery mud and some sand. So we've set them up with a simple kit for getting through that. So number one is your tyre pressures. So this Sabre tyre inflator will make sure that they can set their pressures where they need them, no problems at all. Also some max tracks, just in case they get into trouble by themselves, they can dig those in, get themselves out of trouble, and they'll be on their way. When you're camping and touring, storage is a very important factor. And these boxes from Expedition 134 are just fantastic. They're robust, they're well built, and they're made in Australia and designed by Australians. Now, we use these for a lot of things, but carrying your food, carrying your clothes, they're just the best. Really well built. Ample space. The design means you've got all that space to use rather than any ins and outs that you get in some of the cases. They're really well sealed. Drop it in the water and she'll float. And what's better, they can take a heap of weight on top of them. So if you've got a vehicle that's a bit high, you can use them as a step as well. All right, let's talk power for this couple. We've set them up with an Expedition box, and we've worked it to the power needs that they have. So we've finally got the perfect combination to get a 2000 watt inverter into the Expedition 134 case. So this has a Zeal 200 amp hour lithium battery, and it has 200 amp hours of draw, so it's perfect for the 2000 inverter. From Energive down in here, we also have the Red Arc 1240, which gives them enough car charge and also heaps of solar when they're off grid. There's a 240 charger as well, so when they're at home they can top it up to 100%. Also, if they stop into a powered side or something like that, they can top up their battery and away they go, no problems at all. On the outside, you'll see we've got the inverter power on the front here. You just hold that down for a second, the inverter's away. Then you've got the outlets running whatever you like. This couple's probably going to run some induction. They might even be running some other items that need that 2000 watts. On the outside here, we've got dual USBs, 12 volt sockets. We've got our Andersons on the side. Now they're both in and out. So if you did have more solar with a regulator, you can go into there. On the back of the unit, there's the input for car charge and there's the input for solar. Differently, when you're looking at 2000 watts of inverter, a little bit of heat can build up inside these cases. So we do have to put a fan in, and that's individually switched here at the front. So that'll just help keep that heat coming out of the box, and that way nothing's going to get damaged inside. If you like any of the kit that you've seen in the video, please give us a call, or you can comment down below. We really love talking about this kit, and I'm sure that we could set you up with a perfect system for your touring.